Growing fennel in your garden can be a rewarding experience if you have some basic knowledge about the process. In this video, I will explain how you can grow fennel in your garden in an easy and effective way. Firstly, it is important to know that fennel is a cool season herb that thrives in moderate temperatures. Therefore, the best time to plant fennel is early spring or late summer when the temperature is between 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. For every fennel plant, you need at least 30 centimeters of space to grow, and consider planting them in well-drained soil with a pH level between 6.0 to 8.0. Watering fennel is essential for its growth. Fennel requires regular watering, and the soil should not be dry. Generally, you should water fennel once or twice a week, and be sure the soil is moist but not oversaturated. Most importantly, knowing when to harvest fennel is crucial. Fennel takes about 70 to 90 days to mature. At this stage, bulbs of the plants will be fully formed. Harvest fennel by cutting the leaves and bulbs when it reaches the desired size of around 10 to 12 centimeters in diameter. Fennel is susceptible to several common pests, including aphids, slugs, and snails. These pests can be controlled with the use of insecticides, so you should check your plants carefully, especially in the early growth stages. Fennel grows best in regions with a Mediterranean climate, but it can still thrive in cooler regions. As long as the soil is well drained and the temperature is between 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, it should be possible to grow fennel in most regions. Fennel goes well in salads, soups, and as a seasoning for meat. Its most common use is in tea to aid digestion. Fennel tastes mildly sweet and slightly anise-like in flavor. In summary, growing fennel requires some basic knowledge about its growing requirements, including planting in well-drained soil, watering regularly, and knowing when to harvest. Be wary of common pests and diseases and environmental factors. As it's an edible herb, it's an excellent addition to your culinary garden.